Welcome you all to my kitchen. Add some oil and allow to heat up. Add chopped onion and tomato paste, allow to fry for a few minutes. Add some thyme and curry for more flavors. I have a video on how I make this pepper mix. The link will pop up now. Add some water if necessary. Add seasoning cube and salt. Check out my channel for the fish recipe. Gently push the fish down into the stew. I will add some green veggies, that's optional. Hope you all like the recipe. If you do, please give the video thumbs up also. Comment down below. See you all in my next video.